Hello! In this video I explain how to log in on the eLife virtual world with an Oculus Quest VR headset. First you have to open your Oculus browser on your headset and go to the URL that we have provided. The environment will be loaded and that can take some time. When the login page appears, you have to fill in your name using the online keyboard. And then you press Connect. To jump into the 3D mode, all you have to do now is click on the headset's icon at the right bottom of the screen. And there it is. You can now look around. And if you want to move to another place, you can use the little joystick on your hand controller to point to the place where you want to move to. If you want to see the settings or change your appearance, you will see that your left hand controller holds a square that you can click on. There you will see the settings. And if you select Avatar, you can see that your avatar is a red robot, but you can also make it a human and select some hair or clothes. Well, that's all about logging in with a 3D headset. More information can be found on our website elifeproject.eu.